Hi guys! For today's vlog, I'll be sharing with you my experience with BrewMate's customer service. I'm not sure if you already know, but I really love my BrewMate tumbler era. I think it's BrewMate era tumbler. Yon, basta. I really love my BrewMate era tumbler. And this one is at 40 ounce. So, ito yung malaki. So, may 30 nito. Ito may 40. Now, BrewMate, I actually didn't know about it back then. So, when I got it, binili pa nga ako ek-ek ko kasi sobrang nagustuhan ko siya. Mga ganyan. And meron pa ako nung parang strap. So, this is a very good tumbler. And ang dami kong tumbler as you can see, but ito na talaga ginagamit ko most of the time. So, what's really good about this tumbler is yung pinaka-seal niya, hindi talaga siya tumatapon. So, ito meron tayong cap. There's a cap. But just to, alam mo yun, tatakpan lang yung straw. Pero kung tutuusin, kahit walang takip yung straw, hindi lang talaga siya tatapon. So, ito nakalock siya. Ito. So, nakalock siya pag ganyan. And may water siya, as you can hear. May yellow pa. Yan. So, nakalock siya. Pero ito yung straw natin, diba? So, as you can see, walang tumatapon. Diba? Yan. So, ganun siya pag nakalock. So, totoong lock system siya. Ngayon, kapag tinurn mo naman siya, or tinwist mo naman siya, yan, twist mo siya dito. Okay. Ganyan na yung pwede mo siyang inuman. Ngayon, nagkakaroon lang naman to ng chance na gusto mong i-cap, lagyan ng cap. May sarili siyang straw cap kasi it's magnetic. So, ayan. So, ito i-lock natin. Tapos, magnetic yung straw cap. So, ayan. So, hindi na rin mawawala yung pinaka-straw cap mo. Ayan. So, basically, sobrang sulit niya, diba? So, this is a very good tumbler, I tell you. Mabigat siya, oo, pero good quality material. And, I have been reading some reviews of the tumbler. And, mas marami pa akong nababasa about it na nagkaka-problem sila dahil sobrang ganda ng lock system niya, mas nahihirapan silang buksan yung tumbler rather than isara. So, I haven't experienced that one before. Kasi, after a month of getting this, so I got this around November 16, and after a month, around December 16-ish, ang problem ko with this one was, hindi ko siya masara. Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari, but I was using it daily, as in every day, and hindi ko rin siya nababagsak. Maingat nga ako sa kanya eh. Though, I noticed na nagkaroon siya ng chip dun sa dito sa may area. Pero the chip was about the parang paint niya. And sabi naman nila, covered ng warranty yung mga chip, ganun, kung pwedeng palitan. But, for me, it wasn't really something na, I mean, it's not a deal breaker. As long as I can use it, then okay lang. So, I just continued using it. But then, nakita ko na, alam mo yung, pag sinasara siya, ayaw na niyang mag-lock talaga. Paano ba? I'll put a clip here ng pinaka-video. A few days after, kasi pinag-iisipan ko pang maigi, baka may mali lang ako sa pag-lock nitong tumbler. Kasi, nung hinugasan ko siya, syempre tinanggal ko yung mga bagay-bagay. So, dinisassemble ko kasi siya. Nung inassemble ko siya uli, okay naman. And it wasn't the first time na hinugasan ko siya ng ganon. Nahirapan na akong isara siya, di ba? So, baka naman may mali dun sa something inside. So, I tried to fix it, pero wala talaga. Right then and there, I decided if I could ask the customer service, what can I do about it? So, they just, well, wala akong makitang contact number talaga nila at first. So, I just had to went on the website and tried to use the contact us. So, may form doon. I just filled it up. For me, it wasn't urgent kasi nung una kasi nagagamit ko pa siya, kahit pa paano nalalak ko siya ng onte, wag lang yung sobra-sobra kasi bumabalik siya ulit sa pagkakabukas niya. So, wasn't urgent at first and I just tried to fill up the form. And mga 2 days after nag-respond sila, they tried to ask for a video and the mga papers and stuff. So, yun. So, nabigay ko naman lahat. Even the video that I have showed you kanina. So, sinend ko rin sa kanila yon. And then, they were actually asking a lot of things pa. Na parang, kailan nyo po ba siya na-start na ma-notice? Nabagsak ba siya? Something like that. Meron ba akong ginawa? Mga ganyan. So, a lot of back and forth na emails. But then, what good thing happened naman nun, since it was December, last week ng December, sabi naman nila that they will forward it or escalate it to the team handling talaga the returns. However, pa-holiday season na kasi and medyo busy na rin sila for outright sales. Of course, I understand that. So, sabi ko okay lang. Doesn't matter. So, come January, mga second week ata ng January, they reached out and confirmed some stuff again. And then actually, sabi ko nga sa kanila, actually, hindi ko naman talaga alam ano nangyari sa Tumblr ko and I really love using it. I even promoted it sa TikTok account ko. So, parang, can you just get the Tumblr or let me know where can I send it so that I can just file for a replacement if it is eligible for replacement. I really hope so it is. So, very favorable response na nakuha ko doon is pwede talaga siya i-return. Ang maganda lang, it was really fast. Siguro nung na-verify na nila yung mga bagay-bagay and stuff. And siguro they did some paperwork on their end or mga approvals on their end. So, they already sent me a notice sa email na they would be requesting me na i-return nga. Parang pinapili nila ako ng date. May available date sila na binigay. So, namili ako kung kailan ako talaga available sa office or sa bahay. And then, pero sa office ko na yun ginawa kasi at least may break time, diba? So, sabi nila, daling ko yung defective na tumbler. And then, they will book a rider to get the tumbler. And, dapat babalik yung tumbler sa office nila. Then, right then and there, papalitan nila yung tumbler. So, same rider lang yung magkukuha at magbabalik. Lala Move roommate. Ito po, picture lang siya.
Saan po ulit yun? Ganito rin?
Oo, ganyan din daw.
Palit lang.
Ha?
Ganun palit lang.
Palit lang. Thank you. Kuya. Okay na? Salamat po. So, ang bilis naman. In fairness, mabilis lang siya. So, nung nakuha ko siya, in-unbox ko siya sa bahay. So, I'll also share a clip nung pag-unbox ko. And, what's really good there is same din yung color na binigay. Hindi ko lang sinama yung cup. Itong yung straw cup. Hindi ko siya sinama nung binalik. Kasi, buti na lang hindi ko sinama. Kasi walang kasamang straw cup to. So, you have to purchase it separately kasi the straw cup. So, buti na lang hindi ko to sinama. Kasi, wala na akong straw cup. So, yun. So, it's really good. Overall, the customer service experience is really good. Marami lang talagang tinatanong. Tingin ko kasi ganun talaga pag Pilipino, diba? Maraming bine-verify. Because I have experienced a customer service ng Amazon na US-based na customer service. And when I said na may crack yung Kindle ko, sabi ko, nagpakita lang ako ng picture and then sumunod nun was already the form. And ang bilis nila pinadala yung bagong Kindle, yung replacement. Ganun lang. Parang wala man lang masyadong verification from my end. And yun yung malaking difference pagdating sa customer service natin dito sa Pilipinas. Parang ang dami nating verify. Which I do not have anything against with. Because I also train people when it comes to customer service. or delivering customer service or customer excellence. It's just that sometimes, masyado maraming questions. Parang instead of getting the item first and verifying it, 'di ba? But tingin ko, well, iba-iba talaga ng protocol. But as I am saying, okay, so Brewmate as a tumbler is really good. Kind of pricey, I know, if you will see the price point of this one, but the customer service is exceptional. So, okay siya. Highly recommended yung customer service ng Brewmate. And I really want to share this video because ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ng concern pagdating sa tumbler. And hindi ko akalain na I'll be expecting something like, parang hindi ko akalain na I'll be getting a good experience out of it. And yeah, yun lang naman.